This is VIVO V15 PRO, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then go for the Google category, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button located below the Google account itself. Then once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, get started, then open the Data and Privacy section. Onwards, go for the Delete Your Google Account option and do so. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the child's Google account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Then just finish the account deletion. And once you actually delete the account, the parental controls get deactivated. It sometimes might take a while for the system to acknowledge that, to synchronize everything properly, but it will happen eventually, so do not worry. As you can see in my case, I guess the synchronization already took place, since there is no Google account linked over here. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So great success. Parental controls were successfully gotten rid of. Now we gotta restore or recover the Google account so it will not be lost, which is a very simple procedure as well. You gotta simply sign into any Google app or service with it. I usually go with Google Play Store, so this is what I'll use this time as well. This is the message that you should see. That's completely fine, just telling that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Follow this message by inputting the account password. And more often than not, you'll encounter the "something went wrong" error message. That's also completely fine. Just re-enter your Google account credentials. And the second time, it usually allows you to go through no problem. And you can just finish the sign in, thus be sure that your Google account is successfully restored. So let me quickly complete this Google login, accept all the Google services, terms, and what's not. And as you can see, the account was successfully recovered. Everything is fine. Parental controls are still disabled. So, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.